Alright, I'm going to do the unboxing of this McNally dash cam 100. See if I can do this one-handed. Alright, got our quick start guide. There's our camera. Guess that's the mounting area. There's the front of the camera. McNally, there's the top. So there's that. Sorry, I'm doing this in my truck and I'm doing it one-handed. I didn't bring my cameras with me this week. So here's our mounting suction cup. Power cord. Actually, this is the power cord. This must be, I think this is a PC cord. Yes, that's a PC cord. So I guess I can use either one, but I'll be using the power cord in the truck. So let me get it put together and I'll get back with you here in a little bit.